Alright, so same trick here with the liner. So I got this all soapy. I already cleaned this off as best I could. There's still a lot of rust on there, and grime, and a ton of other crap. So we're going to do the same trick that we did with the G10 scales on the liner here. We're probably actually going to be even more gentle because this part is more crucial to the structure of the knife than the G10 actually is. So flip it once. See if we can get most of this rust off nice and easy. Oh, let's check here. Still a ton of rust. That I can probably get off. And the reason I'm wearing gloves, guys, is just because dish soap will dry up your hands like crazy, especially here in the winter. Alright, so that's better than it was. You probably can't really tell, especially on camera. I'm going to try and find some other tricks to get the rust off of here.